Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a little bit of a different video for you guys today. Maybe you guys are new to YouTube or thinking of starting a YouTube channel. I am going to share a couple tips when uploading your videos to YouTube so you can get more eyes on your videos. So if you guys are interested in seeing a couple of my tips and tricks, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So first of all, I am still using my iPhone to film, edit, and do my thumbnails for all of my YouTube videos. So if you guys have not seen that video yet on my channel, I will tag it in the right hand corner. You guys can click that, go check it out, and then come back and watch this video. But if you guys have seen that video already, let's just dive right in. So I do the video, I edit it all like I say in my previous video. And then I airdrop it to my computer. So then I click just down here. And then you want to make sure that you name your video right there so that you can search it in the uploads. So I always upload my videos in Chrome browser, and I'll show you why in a minute. So then you want to click this little icon over here, click upload video, and it will take you to this screen. You want to make sure that you are set to private so that you can edit all the settings before you make it public. So then click this button, search your title, click open. While it is uploading, it can take quite a few hours. So I try to aim to do mine through the night on a Sunday night, and I do all my uploads, make them all live on Monday. Play around with your schedule, what works for you. Monday is the day that works best for me. So once you figured out your schedule and you're uploading, while it is uploading, you should have already done your research for the title of your video and made sure it's a trending topic, that it's not oversaturated, etc., etc. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how to title your videos or how to do videos on what's trending, I can go more in depth in a different video on that. Just let me know in the comments. Always want to make sure that you do a good description, a couple sentences explaining what your video is about, and then I always have a call to action. So I say, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and then I put my subscription link, and then down here I always post the products that I've used. So any Lime Life products I use, I first, as I go through the video and watch it, I rewatch it, and then I list down here all the products that I talk about. And then I go back in and I will open up all these tabs. So I have two YouTube tabs, my Lime Life Beauty Guide tab, I have a bit.ly, and that's for shortening your long links. I'll show you what I do with it. And I have a Amazon, usually just one Amazon. And then over here, sometimes I will have, like, if I couldn't find it on Amazon and I didn't have it in my Lime Life website, then I will click over here and take them directly to the website of the thing I used, and then I will just start linking. So I did use, in this video in particular, I used the due date. So I would go to my website and I would type in due date and then copy. You want to copy this and then go over to your bit.ly. So I don't go all fancy with this. I just simply click, paste it here, click shorten, and it gives you a really nice, pretty link that doesn't look like that, just looks so much nicer than a super long link. Copy, and then I'll go back to my upload page here, and paste, and then hit enter. And then I will do that for all of the products I used. So if I use something else, or I'm talking about something that is not Lime Life, then I will try and find it over here on Amazon. I'm like an Amazon addict. So I've signed up for the Amazon Associates program. So what that means is every time I recommend a product on Amazon, I have my own links here. So I can just type in, let's say, ring light, and then I'll find the exact ring light I use this is not the one, but just for the sake of the video, let's say this was the one. So then I'll click on that, and up here, I can click text, and it will give me this link here. So then I will copy that, go back to my YouTube video, and I'll put, say I wanted to talk about the ring light or whatever, then I'd put the ring light, I'd click that, and then I always make sure to post this so that people know affiliate links are used where possible, because by law you have to let people know. Okay, and then if I can't find what I'm talking about on Amazon, not on my account, then I will just go and put the link for the product to the other website. So once I have linked all of my products, I'll post any like discount codes I have, anything like that. Down here I have follow my socials, and that's something that you can have, you can program that on your YouTube so that every description has a base to go from. So all of this comes up every single time. I don't have to retype it in. So you guys just play around with your YouTube and find out how to do that. We won't touch on that today. And then if I have a song playing in the background that is a copyright-free song, if you guys haven't seen how to download copyright-free music, I will tag that in the top right-hand corner, and make sure you guys read the description in that video. And so I will copy and paste all the details for the song, put that there. Then you want to use your hashtags. So you want to hashtag your title, first of all, and then just other titles that your ideal customer would be searching for in relation to your video. You always want to make sure that they're relevant, and you have 500 characters to do so. And if you want to sort them from order of importance, you can click sort and reorganize them for which one is most important to least important. And then you also want to make sure that you add it to a playlist. So this one in particular would be in the playlist, full face makeup tutorial. It's also eyeshadow look tutorials. It's also makeup for beginners. So make sure that you have playlists so that when people click a video, it keeps them on your page. So if it's in a playlist, it will just keep playing all those videos in your playlist. If you guys do have TubeBuddy, which you're gonna want, it's only about $5, I think, per month, and it only works with Chrome. So if you guys have TubeBuddy, it'll give you these little tips here for a checklist to make sure that you guys have done everything before uploading. As far as monetization of any videos, that means getting money for people putting ads on your videos. You can't do that with a new channel. You have to work up your views and watch time. So I can do another video on that if you guys want. But once you've reached your monetization quota, you can start making money on your YouTube videos. Then you want to go to, let's do cards. So if I've mentioned anything, any other videos that I've done in this video, that is where I will put a card here. So I'll show you, because I do have a full in-depth foundation video if you guys wanted. I will link that right here that you guys can check out. Okay, so that right there is the card. So to do that, whenever you mention a video, then you go over here. Let's just pause this to add card. And then you can add a video or playlist. Usually I just use this one. So then you can scroll through your most recent uploads and click which one you're promoting. If you don't find it because it's an older video, you can just open up your second tab, find it, click the share button, copy it, and bring it, copy and paste it down into this bar right here. You can also click playlists and you can promote a whole playlist. So I could promote this particular playlist here, and then it would show all the 12 videos. So once they finish watching the one video, it would go into all the rest. That's what you want, because you want to up your watch time and all that so that you can monetize and start making money from your videos. And then once you're done setting up all your cards, for this in particular video, I had 2. And then you want to go to your end screen. So what you want to do in your end screen, I'll show you for an example. With this video, I make sure that I make the particular gestures so that people can click, because I know how the end screen looks. So you want to kind of be familiar with that, and then have in mind what other videos you want to promote on your channel. So again, people are staying on your channel and not clicking away. Okay, so if I click here up at the top, I can click preview and that will show me, give me an idea of where I want all of these little bars to sit. So first let's click preview. Oh, and click over here for some more eyeshadow tutorials. And if you guys want to see a video on a couple ways of how I like to apply my foundation, you can click over here and click my face right here to subscribe to my channel for more. I post new videos every week. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Okay, so this allows you to work smarter instead of harder, so you don't have to re-mention everything in every video. You can do little videos on each topic, and people kind of like that because they don't want to watch like super long videos. So that way they can be like, okay, she didn't talk fully about her foundation in this video, because I did that on purpose because I didn't want this video to be too long. So now they have the option to click and watch more eyeshadow tutorials, because this was an eyeshadow tutorial, so that tells me they're interested in eyeshadow tutorials. Let's see how many times I can say tutorial. And also, since I sped through my foundation routine on this video, I give them this link here so they can get a more in-depth into my foundation routine in case they wanted to watch that. And this allows them to subscribe to my channel. So to add these little elements here, you just wait for the time spot and then you click add element, and same thing, it allows you to create a video link like seen in these two, or you can create a subscribe button, which creates this little dot here. And then I make sure that I have a catchy thumbnail. It will pick some of the, let's see if it shows here. Okay, so YouTube gives you suggested thumbnails. Never use these. They're not very good, as you can see. They're not very good. And when I first started my channel, I had no idea, so I would just use those. But I have created my own here, and you can see that that one is way more enticing for someone to click your video. You can also go and do some research on what other people's thumbnails are looking like within your niche. Get inspired for how your thumbnail should look. And like I said, if you guys have not seen how I make my thumbnails, you can click the video in the right hand corner and go view that, because I talk about how I do it all on my cell phone. It's super easy. And then you want to pick a time to make it public. You can just go ahead and make it public whenever you'd like to make it public, and then go advertise over on your other social media platforms. Post the link over on Facebook. You can share in your Instagram story that it's now live, or you can schedule it and you can premiere. So if you click premiere, if you want to premiere it, what that means is that you would be watching it along with your viewers. So it's almost like a live. So they tune in, they can chat with you one-on-one. Like, it's very personal and they get to know you and chat with you, and that's kind of cool. So then you would schedule it for whatever time you wanted it to premiere and click the premiere button, and then you guys would be watching it together. So that is something that I've recently been doing and I find really fun if I have time for it. I don't do it for every single one of my videos. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And then I will just publish it whenever I want to publish it, whatever time. Yeah. So what did you guys think of that video? If you guys did like it, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. That really helps my channel. If you guys want to see how I have my lighting set up and everything like that, or how I film and edit everything right from my cell phone, then click either one of these videos. And if you guys would like to see more from me in the future, click my little face right here and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.